Hello, this is Leighton Mitchell from Insert Creative Name Here, Water Level Detection Department, and today I'm going to demonstrate how we made and improved upon our water level detection device. So as you can see right here, we have 3.5 gallons of water in here. So we realized pretty quickly that the first problem with our design was it was not very accurate. We basically read a standard numerical value off of the potentiometer, but the problem was that this being a pendulum lever type thing, and also the sides being angled, meant that a 1-inch change at varying heights could equate to a different angle change. So in order to make the system more accurate, we used a program on this calculator right here where we input data points at half-gallon increments for what the red percentages from the program were versus what the actual percentages should be from known values. Then we used quadratic regression in order to derive a curve to make it more accurate. We ended up putting all of this inside the Arduino code right here, which runs on the Arduino in the system itself. We then had to make it send emails. So how it does this is we end up having it say that if the value is less than or equal to 50, then it will open a program on the computer, and it will only do this once, or else it will keep opening the program. So then it ends up making an action happen in this program called GoBetweeno. Basically, this program reads serial values from the Arduino over USB, and then will open programs on the computer. We then had to make a program that would do the appropriate actions to send an email. We ended up using a software called AutoHotkey, which allows you to make macros on your computer. Here we programmed it to where whenever it was run, it would send an email saying, your water level has been detected at being below 50%. Please check your container. And then it will email this to whoever you want to. And that is basically how we made it work. All right, we are now going to demonstrate the features of this device by draining the water through a siphon. I will hand one end of this pipe over to this creepy serial killer hanging outside this window. There you go, creepy serial killer. Pull that out as far as you can and push that down to the very bottom. We'll use the magic of siphon technology to drain this thing before you even know it. Water level is almost there. Soon it will be ready. I am quite scared.
Do you have enough storage on your phone? Oh.
There we go. As we can see, it has just registered that and has now opened up Outlook with a pre-written email. The program actually does write the email into Outlook. The email wasn't already in Outlook. And now it has just sent. So now, as we can see on this random iPhone right here, if we refresh, oh my goodness, the water level detection system is below 50%, and we have been alerted of this. This is perfect for if you have like a keg and people keep stealing your beer, you know, just it'll let you know. So anyway, as one can see, the system works perfectly. As I like to say, good enough for government work.
Sean.
Hello, this is Preston from Insert Creative Name Here. I am on the hardware department, and the improvements to our amazing heat water detection thing is that we decided to strap down our Arduino, because in the past, before we did this, there was a tendency for the Arduino to fall into the water zone. That's not good. We need this to work. So I decided to cut out some cardboard, tape it in place, put holes with the Arduino, that way it doesn't fall into the water.